Honorable Speaker, thank you, members. And I want to take this early opportunity to first apologize to this august House because I got this summons slightly over 2 months ago. But Mr. Speaker, the nature of my work is that I've been doing some quite of traveling, not for leisure, not for tourism, but with the aim of assisting our country to open new market frontiers for our goods and services to attract foreign investment, which is very much required to get our country and our economy moving again. Mr. Speaker, I want to also take the opportunity to thank you and members of the Senate Business Committee and also members of the Senate in general for extending your invitation to me to appraise members on the role of the Kenya National Trading Corporation in addressing the high consumer prices for essential commodities. This, Mr. Speaker, is part of your mandate.
Senator Sifuna, indeed you're out of order because your argument breaches Standing Order 99 in that you're anticipating debate of a proposed motion. I will therefore allow the Cabinet Secretary to proceed to respond to the question as asked by Senator for Marsabit, Senator Mohamed Chute. Senator Mohamed Chute, proceed to ask. Senator Kajwang. Senator Kajwang. You're out of order. Proceed, Senator Chute.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Let me thank Honorable CS for appearing before this august House today. My questions are, A, could the Cabinet Secretary state the type and quantity of goods being imported by corporations